Welcome to Classic Auto Rescues. In this video, I'm showing you how to install these raised letters on your Toyota rear tailgate here. I think it's similar for the Tacomas or the Tundras as well, in terms of like tailgate design. So this can probably work for that as well. I'm going to start off cleaning the surfaces with a little bit of Dawn and water, just to get all of the crap out of the letters here so we get a nice good seal. I did order the set off of Amazon. It was like 15 or 20 bucks. Not too bad at all. And it really adds a nice touch to your plain Jane tailgate here. Now to actually install them, you got to get it right just about the first time. It's not as forgiving as a sticker where you can just like spray Dawn or some soapy water on it and then put the sticker on it, get it how you want it, then squeegee out the water. These are raised letters, so you can't do that. So you got to get it right just about the first time. So kind of play around with your letter before taking the adhesive backing off. Make sure you can get it where you want it, and then peel off your adhesive. And then just be real careful with it. That's not perfect, but it's pretty close. And that's not gonna be forgiving enough for me to take it off. The A is next. I'm sure you can use either A. And that A came out real nice. Push her on there. All right, well, there we go. Our raised letter emblems are installed. Sometimes it's just nice to watch someone else do it to give yourself a little bit more confidence when doing it yourself. If I helped you in any way, please make sure to subscribe and like. I'd really appreciate it. These letters are really good for dressing up your truck, and I hope you are successful at yours as well. As always, thank you for watching Classic Auto Rescues and have an amazing day.